Windows are an essential part of your West Columbia home, providing natural light, ventilation, and security. However, over time, windows can become worn, damaged, or inefficient, which can lead to higher energy bills, uncomfortable indoor conditions, and even security risks. If you're wondering whether it's time to replace the windows in your home, here are several signs to look out for that indicate your home may need new window installation. Increased energy bills. One of the most noticeable signs that your windows need replacement is a sudden increase in energy bills. If you've noticed your energy costs climbing despite not changing your lifestyle, old or inefficient windows might be to blame. Windows play a significant role in insulating your home. If they are damaged or outdated, they can allow heat to escape in the winter and let hot air in during the summer, making it harder for your HVAC system to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. Energy-efficient windows, such as double-pane or triple-pane windows with low E coatings, can help maintain your home's temperature and reduce the workload on your heating and cooling systems, ultimately lowering your energy bills. Drafts and uneven temperature. Another common sign that it's time for new windows is the presence of drafts or uneven temperatures throughout your home. If you feel cold air coming through the edges of your windows, even when they are closed, it could be an indication that the seals around your windows are no longer functioning properly. This allows air from outside to infiltrate your home, making it harder to keep your home warm in the winter or cool in the summer. Windows that are drafty or improperly sealed can lead to cold spots or hot spots in your home, which can make it uncomfortable to live in. If you experience these issues, it may be time to upgrade to energy-efficient windows that provide a better seal and enhance your home's comfort. Visible condensation or fog between panes. If you notice condensation or fog between the panes of your windows, it's a clear sign that your windows are no longer functioning properly. Condensation can occur when the seal between the panes of glass is broken, allowing moisture to enter and create a foggy appearance. Not only does this affect your home's appearance, but it can also lead to more serious issues like mold and mildew growth. In addition to reducing visibility and making your home look unattractive, foggy windows can also reduce energy efficiency by allowing heat to escape. If you're experiencing this issue, replacing the window with a new, properly sealed model will restore the clarity and efficiency of your windows. Difficulty opening and closing windows. If you're having trouble opening or closing your windows, it could indicate that the window frame has become warped or damaged over time. Windows that stick or fail to open completely can be a safety hazard, especially in case of an emergency. Additionally, windows that don't close properly might not provide a tight seal, leading to drafts, water leakage, and reduced energy efficiency. If you find that your windows are difficult to operate, or if they don't function as they should, it may be time to replace them with new, easy-to-operate windows that provide better security and insulation. Visible damage or wear. Over time, exposure to the elements can cause your windows to become damaged. Cracks, chips, and dents in the glass can weaken the structure of the window and reduce its effectiveness at keeping your home safe and insulated. Similarly, rotting or warped frames, especially in wooden windows, can compromise the integrity of the window, making it difficult to open and close or allowing water to seep into your home. If you notice visible damage to your windows, it's important to address the issue promptly. Not only can damaged windows affect your home's curb appeal, but they can also result in higher maintenance costs in the future. Replacing old, damaged windows with new, durable windows will provide enhanced security and restore the beauty of your home. Excessive outside noise. If you live in a busy area or near a highway and notice that outside noise is becoming more disruptive inside your home, your windows may no longer be providing the sound insulation they once did. Older windows, especially those made of single-pane glass, tend to let more noise in, making it harder to enjoy peace and quiet at home. Noise-reducing windows, such as those with double-pane or triple-pane glass, are designed to block out external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful environment inside your home. If noise is becoming a concern, upgrading to these types of windows can improve your home's comfort and livability. Your windows are outdated or do not match your home's aesthetic. Beyond functionality, the appearance of your windows plays a significant role in your home's curb appeal. If your windows are outdated, cracked, or mismatched with the rest of your home's style, replacing them with modern windows can drastically improve your home's aesthetic appeal. New windows are available in a wide range of styles and materials, from vinyl and fiberglass to wood and aluminum, allowing you to choose windows that enhance your home's design while providing improved energy efficiency and comfort. Conclusion: time for a window upgrade? If you're noticing any of the signs mentioned above, whether it's higher energy bills, drafts, condensation, difficulty operating your windows, or visible damage, it may be time to invest in new window installation for your West Columbia home. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows not only enhances your home's comfort and curb appeal but also increases its value and long-term durability. By working with a trusted window installation company, you can choose the best windows for your home's needs and enjoy the benefits of improved insulation, security, and aesthetics.